Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
All right, welcome back. We've learned the essentials of making hot soup in your Vitamix. Today, we're gonna make a gumbo using the base template, which is peppers, onions, tomato, and broth. To make a real gumbo, we're gonna add rice, sausage, chicken, and Cajun seasoning. And of course, I had some celery laying around. I'm gonna throw that in too. First, we're gonna add the liquid. So the broth, then we'll add the soft fruit, so the tomatoes, we'll throw them in whole, why not? Peppers, okay. Yellow pepper, onion, celery, and that's it. Okay, so we've added the broth and the vegetables. Now we just secure the lid, and we're gonna turn on the Vitamix, ramp it up to high speed, and let it run for about 5 minutes. You'll see steam coming out the top here, and that's because it's vented. It's meant to do that, to release the energy. And the second thing to know is it's gonna become homogeneous pretty quickly, and for the rest of the time we're gonna run it, it's gonna work on just heating up. Here we go. So I actually forgot to add the spices in the beginning, so I turned it down to low, and we'll just add a few shakes of spice through the lid plug and ramp it back up to high. About 4 minutes through, you can actually feel the soup warming up. The container's double insulated, so you don't have to worry about getting burnt. And then there's a little bit of air coming through the top. That's the steam being released. Without that, it would explode. It's been about 6 minutes. I'm gonna turn the machine down to low and then off and take the lid off and show you what we have. You should be able to see the steam coming out of there. Burning hot, delicious. But now what we can do is we can put the lid container back on. And we'll flip it on to low speed. And so with the lid plug out, everything kind of stays contained in the container. And this is where we can add the texture. So we'll take our sausage, this is vegan sausage, and chicken, same thing. And then rice. And we're just letting it run for 5 or 10 seconds, and then turn it off. Now, just like that, have your multi-textured hot soup, start to finish with a Vitamix. And if you want to get in there and get some of that texture, grab it from the bottom. That looks and smells delicious. Can you see some of that Beautiful, beautiful looking gumbo. And there you have it, Vitamix gumbo. Not a perfect gumbo if you ask someone from the South, but a makeshift gumbo made with whole food ingredients, fresh vegetables, bursting with flavor, spices, and aromas. It's actually, my eyes are almost watering. It's so flavorful. And a perfect, hearty, warm dinner for you and your loved ones. I'll try it now. Oh, that is so good. All right, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this wonderful, hot, hearty, whole food Vitamix gumbo. When you're ready, mark this unit complete and head on over to the next, where you'll be asked to get the ingredients and make one for yourself.
Hi guys, we're just gonna keep making please subscribe to our channel videos until our baby wakes up from his nap.
Yeah.
Just keep going.
So if you hit subscribe, our baby will wake up.
Yeah.
And that is not ideal for us.